One morning, Prem Shankar awoke up with an itching sensation of pain all over his body. He could not understand what was the problem with him. He went to a clinic. The doctor explained him and examined him and assured him that he would be okay in a few days. It just an
It's
it's just an instance of allergy. He observed. Wanted to know what
Prem wanted.
Prem wanted to know what allergy is. So the doctor explained. Allergy, you can say, is a malfunction of the human immune system.
Immune
Immune system causing a violent reaction against normally harmless substances in our natural environment. You may call such substances allergens. The reaction creates an inflammation which in turn can lead to a variety of symptoms such as high fever,
hay fever,
eczema,
eczema,
asthma, and other conditions popularly referred to as allergies. There are genetics and environmental risk factors to develop allergic symptoms. One must first be exposed to the specific allergens for some type to build up the allergic sensitivity and then once more to
trigger
trigger the allergic reaction. Environmental factors such as smoking and pollution will also add to the risk.
add to the risk.
Add to the risk.
Initially
allergy often appears initially allergy often appears as seemingly benign condition such as hay fever during the pollen season. In fact, many people gradually build up
meaning Hindi meaning
gradually
धीरे
build up one allergic condition over many years before experiencing any symptoms whatsoever. However, for some unfortunate people, a certain food or drug or an ordinary insect bite can result in sudden life threatening anaphylactic shock. Furthermore of those allergies which started as eczema or gastrointestinal problems many evolve into asthma, frequently involving respiratory symptoms such as hyperreactivity and obstruction of the airways. This direct path of development is widely referred to as the allergy march. Our basic understanding of allergy has evolved from the discovery in 1967 of a previously evolved from the discovery in 1967 of a previously unknown antibody, immunoglobulin E or EGE by scientists IgE by scientists in Upasla and Baltimore. The most significant property of IgE antibodies is that They can be specific for hundreds of different allergens. Continued research has significantly advanced our knowledge regarding our
Regarding है
regarding our examples
कहाँ
the
है आगे regarding for example
regarding for example the interaction between
in the interaction
between
IgE
and inflammatory cells
inflammatory
cells for effective
asthma
medication
हाँ.
medication on
One
needs to look beyond the
obvious
obvious symptoms. Antihistamines, for example, may provide temporary relief by masking the symptoms. Relief by masking the symptoms, but masking the symptoms, but have virtually no effect on the underlying inflammation. Other pharmaceuticals known to be other pharmaceuticals known to be effective for seasonal allergy must be administered weeks before exposure. The clinical use of inhaled steroid is certainly
steroids पढ़ेंगे steroid में हाँ
gaining ground due to their anti-inflammatory effect.
Inflammatory नहीं है
inflammatory effect,
Effects.
although over treatment may have serious side effects. To ensure the lowest effective
dosage
throughout the treatment, the laboratory can periodically monitor the occurrence in serum of ECP released from inflammatory cells. Eosinophilic cardionic protein.
कार्डियोनिक नहीं है
Cardionic.
क्या है
Cationic.
कैट्रानिक क्या वो दिखाओ होते हैं आयन कैटाइनिक
Cationic protein is a protein generated in certain white blood cells
actively
engaged in the immune defense system using a diagnostic test developed by Phardia. ECP can be deleted in body detected in body fluids.